Today's word is angst. Angst. Note the first sound, like in cat. Angst. Some people also pronounce it as angst. It means a feeling of deep dread or anxiety on the general state of affairs. A feeling of constant worry about something, usually again unimportant or trivial. Primary use is general. It can be used in several areas. Angst is essentially a psychological term. Let's look at a few sentences here to know how it's practically used. Not being able to find a new job is causing the middle class great angst. So the middle class is in a great angst. Means they are very sad. The cause of teen angst is the deadly combination of raging hormones augmented by the stories of depravity and liberty which they cannot perceive in their immediate neighborhood, and a weird sense of entitlement that can never be practical. Now, this is the reason, or these are some of the reasons why the teens are kind of sad. Moodiness and irritability are signs of teenage angst, which will go away as they cross over into their 20s. The rising prices has become a perfect excuse for the opposition to fuel angst among the common people. Angst was writ large in the girl's face as she waited in the hospital waiting room to hear about her mother. That means she was sad and unsure of what's going to happen to her mother who was lying in the hospital. Let's look at a few questions here which are relevant. Is anxiety same as angst? Well, the two are actually used interchangeably, but anxiety is a state of apprehension, fear, and nervousness, but angst is a rather vague sense of depression about things, usually in general. Is it okay to love angst? Okay, what this question means is, if you have angst, and you're happy about that, is that okay? Some people love angst because they don't know the true nature and essence of life. They see pain everywhere and feel that is the thing to like. They get a feeling of superiority, of liking a thing that's normally not likable. So, personally speaking, you love angst because you don't know any better. Now let's look at a few synonyms here. Agony, depression, midlife crisis, sentimental pessimism, blues.
If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary.